Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system which is right above the about phone, and now tap on developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the desktop mode, we can manage the background check. Here we can also change the contrast options, like here standard, medium or high. We can change window animation scale, show pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. Simply tap on the switcher to turn on the feature, and of course tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like in this contrast option or here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top, which is pinned to the top of the screen, and your device will require restarting to fully turn off the developer options. So of course you can simply tap on restart, and after turning it on again, your device will not display the developer options in the settings. I don't want to do it right now, but of course no worries, you can customize the developer options again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.